Are you tired of the same old lunch options on your keto diet? Look no further. In this video, we'll unveil 7 delicious and easy-to-make keto lunch ideas that will keep you satisfied and on track with your low-carb lifestyle. Number 1. Steak salad with Dijon Vinaigrette. Who said salads can't be satisfying? Packed with flavor from punchy Gorgonzola, roasted tomatoes and red onion, and a shallot-Dijon dressing, this is a lunch worth savoring. Number 2. French omelette, simple and elegant. Sometimes a classic omelette hits the spot, made with just a handful of basic ingredients. It's easy to pull together whenever the hunger pangs hit. Number 3. Bacon ranch chicken bake. It's everyone's favorite Costco food court flavor combo, minus the carbs. Bake up a batch at the beginning of the week for several days of easy lunches. Number 4. Loaded summer cauliflower salad. We aren't kidding about loaded. This salad is packed with all of your high-protein, low-carb faves like bacon, hard-boiled eggs, cheddar cheese, and roasted cauliflower. A creamy lemon mustard dressing ties everything together. The best part? With no lettuce, this salad won't be wilted come lunchtime. Number 5. Cheesesteak roll-ups? No wrap? No problem. Tender beef is loaded with sauteed peppers and onions and melty provolone for a flavorful and filling lunch. Number 6. Cloud bread. This 3-ingredient bread couldn't be easier to make. Load it up with your favorite DLI meats, cheeses, and sauces for the sandwich of your dreams. Number 7. Keto bacon cauliflower Midday cheese. You can make this with pre-riced cauliflower, but I personally love chopping up my own, so I can toss a few chunkier pieces into my mac and cheese. Warning, you can easily eat a whole head of cauliflower with this recipe. Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like